What's up? It's Adam. Doing a damn video. Let's see. You know what? It's hard to get these bottom two, but I will get them. Basically, yeah, I will get them. Right now, all I have is like some cheap ass peanut butter I got from the food shelf out here. It's like 50 grams of saturated fat per scoop, and I've just been eating that with saltine crackers because honestly I don't have money to train. It's one of my biggest dilemmas out here. The people that do are slobs, they're pigs, and they don't even train right, and they're just a waste of potential in food, the way I see it. But I'm going to be honest, I'm going to call a spade when I see one and say a lot of shit isn't fair, but life's not fair, so I don't know. Come Monday I'll have some money. Hopefully eat right and train right, but other than that, just that's my body check-in, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.